guys, and welcome back to my channel and today's video. Today I'm gonna do a Valentine's look, and this was not the look I had planned for you guys. I definitely struggled in this tutorial with my base, with my eyeshadow particular. It was a struggle, let me tell you. So if you want to see how I struggled, keep on watching the tutorial. So I have two new foundations, and they're both from the brand The Ordinary, which is very affordable skincare, but I saw that they had some foundation and I saw some reviews that said that they were quite good, so I figured that why not purchase both of them. This is the full coverage one, and this is the serum foundation. Yeah, with a light cover. I bought both of them in the shade 1.2 neutral. I would like to get the one with the pink undertone, but they didn't have that in stock, so I figured that I would try this. I think I'm gonna go for the full coverage one, which I have tried once before because I want to have full coverage during Valentine, and I will try the other ones some other time. But I can see that this oxidizes a bit, so if you want to purchase it because it's super duper affordable, then I would go for a lighter shade. I bought mine off Beauty Bay, and I think I paid, I mean, it's under $10, maybe like no more, maybe like $7-8 or something. So it's very, very affordable. Listen to this. It's not a beer. Ah, so tasty. And since it is Valentine, we want to look snatched. So I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette, which looks like this. And I'm just going to put some there, put some here. Are you going to celebrate Valentine's Day like with a friend, with a boyfriend, with a girlfriend, or yeah, what are you doing? I don't know. We haven't really decided anything. I kind of think that Valentine's is like a gimmick, if you know what I mean. It's just like, it's just for companies to make money. And yes, I do appreciate that you can have a date night, but I mean, you can have a date night whenever. It just feels like everyone is going to the movies, everyone is going to out and eat, and it's just gonna be packed with people all around. Ugh. I actually said to my boyfriend when we were going to bed the other night, I was like, no gifts this year. And he was like, yeah, I agree. Because some years he's like, Paulina, now this year we are not buying gifts. And I'm like, okay, fine. And then he pulls up a fucking teddy bear, some flowers, and a perfume or something. And I'm standing there like, I didn't get you anything because we said no gifts. He's always the one that says, okay, no gifts, and then he goes out and buy gifts. I have done that maybe like once or twice, but he's done that for a couple of years now. And I'm like, could you please stop? You're making me look like a fucking fool. I just love this cream contour. Today I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This is the second time I'm using this. I did use this in my first impression, which is up. I think it's up at this point. I'm not sure, but I hope it's up. And as I said in that video, I was very, very dry. So today I have really taken care of my skin. Before I sat down to film, I oxidized. I was about to say, what the fuck? I exfoliated, that's the word I was looking for. I exfoliated, I really hydrated my skin, maybe a little bit too much, but I did. So hopefully this will go on better because I really want to love this as other people do. So today I'm just gonna start with my under eyes and then do like my nose and my chin. Okay, so blending this in. I am very, very easy on my hand. know, I don't love it. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. I'm actually gonna take a little bit more. I think it's beautiful on my chin, but it's just my under eyes. There's something that's making me a little bit unsure. I think it's the coverage because now I think it looks great. Let's set this anyway. I'm taking my Nyx HD powder in banana. Thank you, Angelica, for tipping me about this powder. I'm just gonna take a little bit of my RCMA powder on the rest of my face. Oh my god, that was a lot. I zoomed you guys in a bit and I did my brows off camera because otherwise we will be sitting here until Valentine's Day itself. Today I thought I would use the Sigma Creme de Couture palette. I have been eyeballing this for a very long time. I did do a first impression on it, but let me tell you, everything that can go wrong did go wrong. I talked about this on Snapchat, but what happened was that I recorded that video and the audio did not work. And the other time I did a cut crease with this palette, and that's the look I have the intro to my Makeup Revolution concealer first impression. And I just got a very large patch right here, and as I said, I have been very dry lately, so I don't know if that's the palette or not. So I actually deleted that first impression because, as I said, I did not know if it was the palette or if it was my eyes that were... if there was something with my eyes. So anyway, in today's look, I don't really know what to do. This is what the palette looks like. It's very pastel and neon shades. I don't want to use any red shades. I don't want to do like a smoky eye. I don't want to do something brown. I want to do something maybe pink and colorful, but still romantic and me. So what should I do? I'm gonna actually jump into the shade that we have right here, which is called Apricot Flower, and I'm gonna use that as my crease color. This had a lot of kick up, that shade. Okay, now I'm gonna take the shade Lavender Honey and I'm gonna try to build the shade up in my outer corner. And I wanna try to make this shade very pigmented. Okay, not really as pigmented as I wanted it to be. Okay, so now we have a nice base. It's not really as vibrant as I thought it would be, but I'm gonna darken this up with the shade Cassis, which is this purple shade. Yeah, this is much better. Oh my god, yeah. I'm gonna take a packing brush and pack the shadow on, and then I'm gonna take a blending brush and blend the shadow out. No, the same thing happens. The shadow just won't stick to one particular area, and I don't know why. But it blends into nothing. I honestly don't get it. I went and got the Zulu palette instead. I'm gonna use the purple shade right here instead and try this and see if that works better. Doesn't want to stick. I'm losing my mind. Nope. Oh! I don't know what to do now. I'm gonna take the Colourpop Elements of Surprise palette instead and dig into some of these purple shades. So I'm just gonna darken everything up with this shade right here, which is called Silk Street. A smaller brush. It has to be the palette that's not working, because as you can see, this is sticking to my eyes. Okay, it looks very messy at the moment, but I promise that it will get better. I'm taking a little bit of concealer. I'm just squirting it out on my hand, and I'm just gonna cut half the crease, but I'm not gonna take a lot of concealer because I don't want it to crease. So now that we have a wet base, I'm gonna take the shade Almond Pear, and I'm just gonna set my entire lid with this. I'm not really pleased with this look, so I'm gonna try and use one shade in the Elements of Surprise palette. I'm gonna try and use this shade right here, which is called Subdue. And I'm gonna try and use this as a kind of topper, shadow, do you say that? Shadow topper, yeah. So I'm just gonna go over the green. Oh well, this brush didn't pick up anything. I need to have something wet. It won't really stick, I'm just getting a lot of fallout, so I'm gonna try and use my finger instead. Ooh. Okay, so it's not really a topper. Gosh, the struggle today, guys. Now I'm gonna do a wing, and I'm gonna use the Isadora colorful eyeliner in the shade 10 Black. It's just a black eyeliner. Oops. I just forgot that I need to do my bottom lash line. So let me take the purple shade that we used on... Fuck. Let me take the purple shade that we used on our outer V and just take a little bit under my eyes. Just like so, and the same thing here. So I just put on Scandal lashes in the style Risky Revenge. I have them somewhere here. This is what they look like. This is a new pair, but obviously I'm wearing another pair, but this is one of my favorite lashes. I love also Daring Darla from Scandal Lashes. Anyway, I'm gonna use my favorite bronzer. This is Colourpop and Alexis Ren. I just feel like I have struggled so much with this makeup tutorial. You have no idea how long I have been sitting here just trying to get a decent look out of the palettes. Anyway, I do think that this is suitable for Valentine. It's very romantic. Okay, let's see, which blush should we use today? I have this blush palette from Makeup Revolution that I bought on Black Friday. It looks like this, and I am going to take this shade right here. Goes on quite patchy. Like I need more problems with this makeup look. I look insane. My god. And today I'm gonna use my Nevin Cosmetics palette in the shade Sparkling Gold. Looks like this, and I'm gonna use the shade Champagne. I just love this shade. Wow. I don't know why I don't use this more. So obviously a lot of people are gonna use red lipstick on Valentine's. I am not, because it's not going to go well with this look. So I have two liquid lipsticks here from Ofra. This is in the shade Charmed, and this is in the shade Nude Potion. And I'm gonna take Charmed, and then I'm gonna take Nude Potion in the middle. You could even put like a gloss on top of this. And let's use some Gerard setting spray in the shade, I think, not in the shade, in the smell Cucumber, I think I have. Pretty. I have a dog in my lap. Hello! Är du lite obekväm? I'm gonna do something about my hair and then I'll be back. Oh my god, my hair. I just let my hair down and it looks like a mess. But what to do when you have curly hair? What do you say? Like, curly hair? Don't care. Anyway, this is the finished look after like spending so much time on my eyes. I'm so happy that I'm finally finished because I struggled a lot. So I'm really happy that I am done with this look. I really hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you on the next video. Bye!